How often do you think about the cleanliness of your air ducts? It's a question that can slip the mind easily, yet plays a crucial role in the air quality of your home. That's where Lakeshore Restoration LLC comes in, with their top-notch air duct cleaning services. Script Lakeshore Restoration LLC is a name synonymous with expert duct cleaning. They provide an all-inclusive solution for air duct cleaning, ensuring a healthier and cleaner environment for you to breathe in. But how do they do it? They employ a range of high-end equipment and tailor their cleaning methods to the type and layout of your ductwork. Whether your ducts are round, rectangular, or spiral, Lakeshore Restoration LLC has the tools and the know-how to get them squeaky clean. But Lakeshore Restoration doesn't just stop at cleaning. They also offer a duct sanitation service designed to eliminate those pesky mold spores. By using approved antimicrobials, they ensure that your ducts are not just clean but also sanitized, offering you the best of both worlds. The best part? Their cleaning methods are completely dustless. That's right. They eliminate all dust, debris, dander, lint, and mold spores, leaving your ducts as clean as a whistle. No more sneezing or coughing due to dust-laden air. Now, you might be wondering about the cost, but worry not, because Lakeshore Restoration LLC offers free quotes over the phone. Their services are affordable, making clean air accessible to everyone. So why wait? Dial 920-221-1440 for an instant quote. Breathe easier with Lakeshore Restoration LLC, your partner in clean air.